everyone, so where we left off, we had put our dough into an oiled bowl to let it rise until double. So mine has done that, a bit more so even actually. So what we're gonna do right now is dump out the dough, and then we're gonna punch it down, and this is the most satisfying part of baking bread, so get excited. We have this beautiful airy mass here, and we're just gonna punch it down. Now what we're gonna do here is shape it. So I think I'm gonna divide mine up into 4 different pieces. I'm gonna freeze 2 of these loaves probably. And you can shape them by using one of these guys, or you can just shape them freehand. So I'll do one in here for you to see. I'm just gonna roll it. You want a nice smooth top there so you can have those creases kind of at the bottom. And you can just plop that into a floured bowl, so that'll be a round one. And then you can either make loaves or you can make circles. And I think I'll do small little rolls like that. So we'll do one like that. Maybe we'll do one little loaf guy. So again, you always want that kind of creased folded part at the bottom and make the top look nice. And then maybe we can do something weird with this one. Triangle maybe? No, we're just gonna do a circle. All right. So with these, we're just gonna cover it with a cloth, cover this one as well, and then we're gonna let them rise again until doubled. So a trick that I usually do is I'll just take a picture of it, because sometimes I forget how big they were to start. So cover those up. That's gonna prevent a crust from forming. And while those are doing their second rise, you can go ahead and preheat your oven. And that's that. We'll check back in a sec.